Hello everyone, in today's video I would want to show you how you can reset your Momo pin. So what you need to do, you have to make sure you have the app in your phone, either by downloading it through Play Store or App Store. So here is the number in which I wish to reset the pin. So what I'll do now is I'll click on forgotten password or forgotten pin. So you see means in which you can change your pin, but what I would advise is the use of security questions, because I feel like that's the easiest. So what you need to do here is in phone number you wish to change the pin. So here we are being asked a question: what city were you born? So that is the question I've been asked now. So I'm space to input new number and confirm it. So I'll input the new number I wish to put. It must be exactly 6 digits. So I'm making few correct. Okay, then I create the new pin. So you can see we've changed our pin successfully, as easy as that.